Use this mainly for web browsing and office applications. Super fast and quick. The processor can run 3 monitors seamlessly. Keyboard and mouse feel good. The speed of the Wi-Fi dongle increased after the first day after setup. The only caution I would give as the processor is not supported by Windows 11. Windows will not let me upgrade. Great hardware for the price. It comes with i5 6th Gen desktop, 22-inch monitor, keyboard, mouse, Wi-Fi, Windows 10 Pro, cables, display size, 22.0 inches. Hard disk size, 240.0 gigabytes. RAM memory installed size, 8.0 gigabytes.